Want to mine Bitcoin without spending a fortune? Let's dive into the world of free Bitcoin mining using the GDP Mini App. This app is designed to make Bitcoin mining accessible to everyone, even if you're just starting out. So what exactly is free Bitcoin mining? In simple terms, it allows you to earn Bitcoin without the need for expensive hardware or electricity costs. Instead of traditional mining, where you need powerful computers, the GDP Mini App uses a cloud mining approach. This means you can complete tasks and earn rewards directly from your device. Imagine earning Bitcoin just by engaging with simple activities. Now, why should you choose the GDP Mini App over other options? First, it offers free starting power, which means you can begin mining right away without any upfront investment. This is perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into the crypto world without financial risk. Another standout feature is the task-based mining system. You can boost your earnings by completing various tasks, whether it's watching videos, taking surveys, or sharing content. The more tasks you complete, the more mining power you gain. It's a fun and interactive way to engage with the app while increasing your Bitcoin rewards. Plus, if you join our Telegram channel, you'll unlock exclusive pre-launch bonuses. This is a fantastic opportunity to maximize your earnings before the app officially launches. You'll be part of a community that shares tips, tricks, and updates, ensuring you're always in the loop. Now, let's walk through the steps to get started. First, join our Telegram channel to grab those bonuses. It's a simple process, and you'll be rewarded for being part of our community. Next, download the GDP Mini App from the website. The sign-up process is quick and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started. Once you're signed up, it's time to complete tasks to increase your mining power. The app will guide you through various activities, and you'll see your Bitcoin balance grow as you engage with the platform. It's rewarding to watch your efforts translate into real earnings. Don't miss this chance to mine Bitcoin for free. Join our Telegram channel today and unlock exclusive offers before the launch. This is your opportunity to step into the world of cryptocurrency without any financial barriers. Download the GDP Mini App now and start your journey toward earning Bitcoin effortlessly.